What's up guys, LSAVER checking in. I'm in Hawaii for the very first time and it's been amazing. People here are very nice and the shopping here has been pretty good so far. Alright, so we're probably gonna do the review out here of what I grabbed recently. I'm using these table things as a chair because these other beach chairs are just like chilling on the side and they're just like way too big to move. So we'll just do it like this. So first things first, I copped a pair of these XXL sneakers right here. I never really decided to pick one up until I actually saw them in person. And then I was like, oh, I don't really want the red color, but they did discount them just a little bit, like 10%, and you save a little on the tax. They've been like selling out without discount. So even to get a little bit off at this very moment, it seemed like a pretty good deal to me, so I kind of just grabbed them. They're pretty cool. I got them in a 42 and they fit really nice. They feel like a regular sneaker. They feel way better than a XXS or way better than boots, and they're just really comfortable to walk in, and I think it's a pretty good pair of sneakers just to have, you know what I'm saying? I have this exact belt in silver. Now I have it in black on black. It's the hourglass belt. It's pretty minimalistic. It's nothing exaggerated and it looks very clean. So this is actually kind of okay. You know, I had to pick up some Honolulu merch while I'm in Honolulu, Hawaii. Chrome Hearts Trucker. I got the Honolulu t-shirt as well. Alright, so I picked up some scroll tees. It reminded me of Supreme for sure because of the vibrant colors, and they also did a really good job picking out the two tones. So I picked it up in blue and also pink as well. These are pretty nice for the summer, you know what I'm saying? I also got these jeans, these skater graffiti jeans back at home. I brought them out here anyways because I haven't even done a video on these, but these are super sick. They're super baggy and they fit really nice. So I kind of just brought them out here just to put a fit together. Got this really awesome exclusive Hawaii Balenciaga tee in the city font. The font, it looks pretty dope. I decided to pick it up. It's super expensive though. And I did pick up some Stussy stuff. Kittens tee. I got it also in blue, just another color. This is the Honolulu exclusive Stussy tee right here. This is the white one, and I have the black one right here. Boom. And it just has the small Honolulu Stussy in the front. Check that out. Believe it or not, I was actually just chilling inside Kith. I was just sitting there for a cool minute, not knowing what's going on, and I was just kind of just relaxing and just looking at the sneakers on the wall. And next thing you know, the Kith Asics, the exclusive in-store Asics, were just sitting on the shelves. And I was lucky enough to grab them in the solar power, which is the yellow ones, and just the white and black ones. Alright, so you guys should definitely check out Bait. Bait's a really good place just to go to for sneakers because they always have sales and random stuff just sitting, and they had a good amount of bait at that specific location. Bait prices in the US is generally not that great, but I guess if you can't go to Japan, this is one of the better options because the tax is pretty low. And unfortunately for the juice store, aka Clot, they're closing down the Honolulu location from what I was told. So I guess I'm just including the footage in here, but you're probably not going to be able to visit that location unless you do it by the end of the month or so. Alright, so I also copped this Rimowa. The deal was obviously not as good as Germany. You know, ever since LVMH took it over, getting a good deal on them is just not like before. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. I will leave a small list of stores that I visited and some places that I thought it was good down below. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop those comments. But if you guys also have any better suggestions, go ahead and leave the comments so other people can view it as well. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. LSAVERS signing out. Peace.